Luna. Hey baby girl, hello.
All that I want is more than you can give me.
Hey guys, and welcome back. I've got a really simple one for you guys today. So you're going to need 280 grams of self-raising flour and 230 grams of caster sugar.
No, I just want sunny skies. I cannot live without you by my side.
You then want 230 grams of butter at room temperature, chopping up into cubes makes mixing a little easier, and 4 medium eggs.
Give up, don't give up on me. Don't give up on me.
You want 4 tablespoons of milk. Any milk works. I use oat milk because I use this in everything, but any milk will work. The zest of 2.5 lemons. Make sure to put the lemons aside because we're going to use the juice later on. Guys, please use a hand mixer or a stand mixer. This is me trying to be optimistic and mixing by hand. It didn't work. I ended up using my stand mixer.
No trouble. Come and take me by the hand. Without you, I am just a broken man. Don't give up on me.
You want to make sure that the top is as flat as you can possibly make it, and then go ahead and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes or until the top is nice and golden brown. The glaze is fairly easy. You need about 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice. I like to juice 2 lemons and keep a little bit reserved just in case I decide I want the consistency a little bit more runny. If I have any juice left, I usually just add it into a salad.
More than I could ever know. You're the reason why I'm trying. You set my heart on fire. You set my heart on fire. Don't give up on me. Don't give up, don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Don't give up, don't you give up on me.
You can pretty much ice this cake whilst it's still hot. I actually prefer it whilst it's still hot because then the glaze gets right into the cake. So you just want to score the top and then put the glaze on top. Simples.
Don't you give up on me.